Creating this gold text with a shine effect in Premiere Pro is easy. Let me show you. First, create your text layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel and select the text layer. Under Fill, choose Linear Gradient. For the gradient, pick light yellow as your first color and orange as the second. You can even add extra color stops for more depth. And there you have it, your gold text. To add the shine, go to the Effects panel, search for Lighting Effects, and drag it onto your text layer. In the Effect Controls, increase the ambience intensity to 100%. Now, click on the rectangle mask to create a mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask to your liking. To animate the shine, click the mask path timer to start keyframing. Move forward a few frames and drag the mask to the other end of the text. And that's it. Your gold text with a shine effect is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.